Hey everybody, Fred here with redlineautosports.com and redlinemusclecars.com. This is our 1940 Ford Deluxe. It's a two-door coupe. She starts easy and runs great. BF Goodrich radials on the Dogfish Ford hubcaps. This car is laser straight, show quality. Drive it to cruising the coast or Good Guys or wherever you want to go. It's got 1,033 miles on it. And it runs and drives excellent. Air blows cold. .351 AC, power steering, power disc brakes, serpentine pulley system. Just a really sweet old car. It's got a tan vinyl interior that looks amazing. It's what they call the businessman's coupe. It has the ledge in the back. Full headliner all the way around. Super nice deluxe interior. Fold down armrest. The seats fold forward. They lean back. Super nice door panels. And I mean, the interior is all the way right. Exterior is all the way right. Underneath, same thing, all detailed. This car is ready for the show. All the trim is new, the chrome is new, everything. Brand new BF Goodrich tires, whole 9 yards. It's got the Sergeant's LED taillights. Just an incredible car. See it at redlinemusclecars.com. Call or text Fred at 580-221-4326. Thanks. Y'all have a blessed and awesome day.